All my support, all my backing to all these wonderful achievers here, and anybody who has dreams and who has the determination and passion in them to go ahead and follow them. I think I'll always be there, and whatever little that I could do, my presence over here is just, probably just a little bit of that, but anywhere, I'd love to be a part of this, and I'd love to be with them, encourage them, wish them all the best, and of course, all my prayers with you.
So my only appeal to everyone is, जब देश भर में चर्चा होती है कि महिला को शिक्षित, सुरक्षित, आत्मनिर्भर होना चाहिए, शुरुआत कैसे होता है? So I think congratulations to Hindustan Lever, and I really want to say that when you support women like this is true economic empowerment. And I was just telling Balki that I'm so glad that men also participate in this felicitation towards women.
मेरे ख्याल से women empowerment मेरे ख्याल से it is I think mainly two things. It is emotional independence and financial independence, and I guess education helps you move towards the financial independence part of it. It it gives you a secure future, you chase your dreams, you achieve. But I think it's also very important that women get emotional independence. Sometimes, we're emotional beings. We tend to be a little too over-dependent on emotion in the regards of emotional aspects. So I think for women to be truly empowered, try being a little bit more emotionally independent as well as financially independent. So I think for me that is true empowerment.